The Manhattan Cocktail, a classic and sophisticated cocktail, is a timeless and iconic drink that has remained a staple in bars for over a century. Known for its elegant appearance and smooth yet bold flavor, the origins of the Manhattan Cocktail can be traced back to late 19th century in New York City. It is believed to have been created at the Manhattan Club by a bartender named Black in the 1870s. The cocktail rose to fame and quickly became a popular choice among New York's elite. The Manhattan Cocktail is typically made with just a few simple ingredients, but the key lies in the quality of those ingredients. The drink consists of whiskey, sweet vermouth, and a dash of Angostura bitters. Rye whiskey was traditionally used, but bourbon has become a common variation in recent years. The sweet vermouth adds a touch of richness and complexity to the cocktail, while the bitters enhance the overall flavor profile. One of the signature features of a Manhattan cocktail is it's garnished with a maraschino cherry, which not only adds a pop of color but also complements the drink's sweetness. Some variations may include a twist of orange peel for an extra burst of citrus aroma. When it comes to serving a Manhattan cocktail, it is traditionally served in a chilled, stemmed cocktail glass. The drink is often stirred with ice and then strained into the glass, creating a smooth and velvety texture. Some bartenders prefer to serve it on the rocks, allowing the flavors to melt slowly as the ice melts. The Manhattan Cocktail has stood the test of time due to its timeless appeal and sophisticated taste. Its balanced combination of flavors, along with its strong yet smooth character, have made it a favorite among cocktail enthusiasts all over the world. So, the next time you find yourself in a cocktail bar or hosting a cocktail party, remember to include the Manhattan Cocktail in your repertoire. Raise a glass to the Manhattan Cocktail and savor a taste of sophistication.